Once swimmers have demonstrated confidence and consistency in freestyle, they are ready to begin kicking on their back. The mechanics of the kick remain the same as freestyle: small, quick, straight leg kicks with pointed toes breaking the surface, but the swimmer is now positioned on their back. Arms may remain at the sides in a torpedo position or extend overhead in streamline, depending on the swimmer's comfort and ability level. Begin with a clear demonstration of proper push-off position and technique. Swimmers should start with their head dropped back until it rests comfortably at the waterline, arms extended while gripping the wall. To initiate the movement, they will push off the wall forcefully with both legs, release their grip, and lift the hips towards the surface to establish a flat body position. After pushing off, swimmers should begin their kicks. After demonstrating, provide hands-on practice for about 15 yards. If a swimmer struggles to keep their hips elevated, you can position one hand lightly under their lower back to guide them into proper alignment. This helps them feel the correct body position and reduces drag in the water. Watch closely for common errors, especially excessive knee bending that causes a bicycling motion with the knees lifting too high. To correct this, place your hand or a kickboard just above the swimmer's knees while they kick. This provides tactile feedback and reinforces the need for straighter legs. Finally, emphasize safety when practicing backstroke kicks in the torpedo position. Swimmers should never kick back toward the wall, as this increases the risk of hitting their head. Instead, establish a safe pattern. Swimmers kick on their back towards you and swim freestyle back to the wall.